there were so many chronology, but not the works of the writer or the writer itself, but from the work they have written, like so in depth.
All right.
And there were 2-3 questions from Indian aesthetic, 2-3 questions from Indian literature as well. But then again, no direct or work. It's like some random line, and then you have to arrange the chronology.
English literature always surprises you.
Yeah, but this time it was really a surprise. Like last time,
June
it was,
2025 was also not good. It was terrible.
yeah.
So compared to that, ये कैसा था?
I just want to say कि इन्होंने linguistic के questions मतलब 10 भेजे हैं, and I just want to convey to UGC NET की linguistics का खुद का एक branch है. So if you
Right.
really want to ask linguistics के questions, ask in that paper. यहाँ पे मत पूछ.
We are not supposed to be experts of linguistics.
Yeah. And then I guess there were no British literature wasn't much. Criticism was absent. Post-colonial literatures were absent. Yeah, there were so many from feminist theory and deconstructual.
Post-structuralism.
Post-structuralism.
Yeah,
That is
all
it.
right, all right.
Yeah, I mean, I knew all the concepts. I knew all the writers, but nobody studies them in depth. Like
No, yeah,
there.
we just touch upon them because
Yeah.
we are preparing for
Instead of
MCQs. Yeah,
really writers.
absolutely.
And
absolutely.
that is what they did. They just somehow picked any of the writers from any age and just asked us to chronically arrange it, and not even their name or work, just like some random lines. There was one question from T.S. Eliot, and it was just one line, and I had to recognize from that like whatever he wrote and like. And there was there were questions from classical literature as well. So
All
that is
right,
it.
all right, all right. So let's hope for the best. Let's see that the cutoff goes a little bit moderate and
But I
yeah.
don't. It surpassed June for me because
Yeah, yeah.
it was like okay.
June was very different. I mean, but you're saying that this was
This was
more difficult
It
than.
was like June paper, but
But
very
very different.
Like,
All right,
we
all
had
right.
all the subjects, but
Yeah,
like again, very strange questions from
got it. Got it.
that is it.
Yeah, got it. Thank you so much for this detailed review. All the very best.